Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to draw the Toyota Supra MK4. Begin by lightly sketching the main body shape using simple rectangles and squares. Focus on getting the overall proportions correct, like the length of the hood versus the cabin. Establish a strong horizon line and vanishing points for a dynamic two-point perspective. This initial framework is crucial for building an accurate and visually appealing drawing. Now, let's refine those initial shapes into the Supra's distinctive body. Pay close attention to the smooth, flowing lines of the fenders and the sharp angles of the rear spoiler. Carefully sketch the side skirts and the subtle indentations of the door panels. When drawing the wheels, aim for diameter that is roughly 1/4 of the car's height, ensuring they look proportional and grounded. Moving to the front and rear, these areas are key to capturing the Supra's character. Carefully draw the distinctive headlights, making sure they angle correctly with the hood line. Detail the front grille and air intakes, giving them depth. At the rear, focus on the iconic round taillights and the large, integrated spoiler. Don't forget the exhaust pipes, which add a powerful touch to the overall design. For the final touches, shading is essential to bring your Supra to life. Use a range of pencil hardnesses to create smooth transitions from light to shadow, emphasizing the car's curves and reflections. Add subtle details like window reflections and tire tread patterns. Vary your line weights, making outlines slightly darker to make the car pop. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals to enhance your reading experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.